Let us start. Get ready for class. In previous class, we discussed about trigonometry. Trigonometry introduction. What is trigonometry and what are the trigonometrical ratios and their definitions? Ratios we discussed it in previous class. It is mainly belongs to right angle triangle. Trigonometrical ratios sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, like that. There are 6 ratios. I already explained why there are only 6 ratios. Because in the triangle there are 3 sides. 3 sides can be arranged in 6 ratios. Only 6 ratios only. They are sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta, sec theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Main ratios. Once again I am writing here. First sine theta, opposite side of the angle by of theta by hypotenuse. It is a very important chapter. Those who are going to want to go further studies, higher studies, BTech, MBBS, or any higher classes, graduation, post graduation, this is compulsory trigonometry. See next cosine, sharp with line cos theta. Adjacent side of the angle by hypotenuse. And next third tan theta, opposite side of the angle by adjacent side of the angle. These are main trigonometrical ratios, and the remaining 3 are their reciprocals. Tan theta is cot theta, adjacent side by opposite side, and the next cos theta, cosec theta, hypotenuse by adjacent side, and cosec theta last side, cosec theta hypotenuse by opposite side of the angle. Short form I am writing. See, every student should know this and ratios, reciprocals of trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometrical ratios. Sine, for sine theta, it is cosec theta reciprocal. This is opposite side by hypotenuse, whereas cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side of the angle. Second pair, cos theta. Cos theta reciprocal is sec theta. And third, tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. See, these are the ratios. In the introduction class, I explained already. So once again, I am explaining. You please learn the ratios. There are only mainly 3: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. And remaining 3 are their reciprocals. Reciprocal of sin, cosec theta, reciprocal of cos, sec theta, reciprocal of tan theta, cot theta. You should know. We already learned in 9th class. Now, See, here three triangles are given with different changing the hypotenuse. Here A is here B, here C. Here A, B, C. Here given A, B, C. Right. Oh, here three different triangles, right angle triangles are given. Let us write the ratios. He is asking tan A, the value of tan A from the first figure, from the second figure, from the third figure. Let us write all the values. First tan A. What is tan A? By definition, opposite side of the angle A. He is asking angle A. Here angle A. Angle A, opposite side of the angle by hypotenuse 5 by 13. Tan B. B is here. Tan B. B is here. See, B opposite side becomes 12. 12 by adjacent side becomes 5. 12 by 5. Next, cot A. A is here. Cot definition, adjacent side by opposite side. 12 by 5. 12 by 5. And cot B, reciprocal, 5 by 12, like this. Adjacent side by opposite side. So like this we have to write for all the triangles. Here tan A is equal to, A is here, 20 by, adjacent side becomes 21, 20 by 21. Cot A is equal to reciprocal, 21 by 20. Next, tan A, cot A, okay, reciprocals. Next, tan B. Tan B is here, 21 by 20. 21 by 20. And cot B reciprocal, 20 by 21, like this. And coming to third triangle, tan A is equal to opposite side. A is here, opposite side 24, hypotenuse is 25. The side opposite to 90. Next, cot A. Reciprocal, 25 by 24. And similarly, tan B is equal to, B is here, opposite side 7, adjacent side becomes 24, 25 is hypotenuse. Similarly, cot B is reciprocal of tan B, 24 by 7. Like this you have to complete this table. Similarly, we have to write for sine cos. Next, sine. Sine definition is opposite side of the angle by hypotenuse. Opposite side of A, side A, opposite side, 5 by 13. Adjacent side here becomes 12. 12 by 5. Cot A. Yes. See, sin A. Side A is here, opposite side by hypotenuse 5 by 13, and cosec A reciprocal 13 by 5. Side B is here, opposite side is 12, 12 hypotenuse is 13, and this is 13 by 12. Thanks. Here in this figure, side A is equal to A is here, opposite side becomes 20, hypotenuse is 29, opposite side of the 90 degrees is hypotenuse 20 by 29. We have measurements are changed, angle also changed. Now, side A cos opposite reciprocal is cosec A 29 by 20. And similarly, side B, B is here, opposite side becomes 21, 21 by 29. And cosec B is 29 by 21, like this. Reciprocals BB, AA, angles. And similarly for the third triangle, next side, the side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. Side A, opposite side of the angle. A opposite side is 24 by hypotenuse 25, and cosec A reciprocal 25 by 24. And similarly side B is here, opposite side becomes 7, hypotenuse is 25. And similarly cosec B is reciprocal 25 by 7. And first of all given cos tan cot, the second given sin cosec reciprocal, cos reciprocal is sec. Like now cos A is here, cos adjacent side by hypotenuse 12 by 13, and here sec A 13 by 12. Similarly cos B is here, adjacent side 5 by 13, 5 by 13, and this is 13 by 5, like this. And similarly cos A for the second triangle. For the second triangle cos A is here, cos this is opposite side, adjacent side 21 by 29, and reciprocal sec A is equal to 29 by 21. Now next cos B is here, B adjacent opposite is 21, adjacent is 20 by 29, and reciprocal sec B is equal to 29 by 20. So like this. And similarly we come to the third triangle, cos A. Where is A? A is here, opposite side 24, 25 is hypotenuse, adjacent side is 7 by 25, and immediately we can write its reciprocal sec A 25 by 7. And this next cos B is here, 7 becomes opposite side, 25 is hypotenuse because the side opposite to 90, and this is adjacent side 24 by 25. And similarly sec B, hypotenuse by adjacent side 25 by 24. So like this we have to practice the trigonometrical ratios. So very important, don't confuse. If angle changes, opposite side also changes, adjacent side changes. If one angle is changing, the sides also changes. But the side never change hypotenuse because it is always opposite to 90. Hypotenuse is same. No doubt. Please learn all these ratios. Next, coming to our exercise, only few problems are given. I will explain one. Okay. Reciprocal of sine, cosec, sin theta, cosec theta, cos theta, sec theta, tan theta, cot. Here tan A, reciprocal is cot A. Reciprocals tan B, cot B, tan A, cot A, tan B, cot B, reciprocals. Here sin A, cosec A, sin B, cosec B, cos A, sec A, cos B, sec B. Here I have written sin A, cosec B, cos A, sec A, sin B, cosec B. Here angle change, reciprocal also B, sin A, cosec B, sin B, reciprocal cosec B, theta, same, right? So these are the trigonometrical ratios, and when we are writing, we practice the ratios, how to write if angle change. Okay. Now, let us go to another problem. Sin theta is equal to opposite side of the theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side of the angle theta. Now, in the 11.1 first problem, in a right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and 17 centimeters are the lengths of the sides AB, BC, AC. Then find sin A, cos A, tan A. So draw a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the side AB 8, 15, 17 centimeters are given. Find the lengths of the sides above. Find the value of sin A, cos A, tan A. Sin A is equal to cos A is equal to tan A. He is asking only three ratios. Oh, Side A, we can write here A is here. Opposite side of A, angle A by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Cos A, adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. And tan A, opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Now here opposite side of the angle A is here. Opposite side is 15 by 17. Hypotenuse is 17, opposite to 90. And adjacent side 8 by 17. And tan A, opposite side by adjacent side, that is 15 by 8. Like this. First question. And second question, the sides of the right angle triangle are given. Then find sine tan P minus tan R. Right angle triangle is PQR. PQR. Angle Q is 90. Second question, page 281. This is first question. 281P. Okay. PQR. PQ 7 centimeters, PR 25 centimeters, and find tan P tan R. Find tan P minus tan R. Okay. Here only two sides are given. According to Pythagoras theorem, we have to find the third side. Third side, I will give you the table of Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. And their multiples. See, first 3, 4, 5 and 5, 12, 13. These are the sides of a right angle triangle. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. 7, 24, 25 and 8, 15, 17, 9, 40, 41, 11, 40, 41, 12, 35, 37, 16, 63, 65, 20, 21, 29. 121, 60. Repeat again. 9, 40, 41, 11, 60, 61. Oh. The sides are 1 comma 1 comma root 2 and 1 comma root 3 comma 2. These are 2m and m squared minus 1 and m squared plus 1 form pattern. 2m, 2 3s are 6, m squared 16 minus 1 15 and 60. 3 2s are 3, 5s are 15, 1 16. 3 3 squared 9 minus 1 8 and 9 plus 1 10. If you reduce it to 3s are to 4s are to 5. And here 5 12 30. 2 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. Sorry, 5 2s are 10. 5 squared 24 and 26. By cancellation 5 12 30 we are getting. So like that we are getting all the Pythagorean triplets. 3 4 5, 5 12 30, 7 24 25, 8 15 17, 9 40 41, 11 60 61, 12 35 37, 16 63 65, 20 21 29, and like this. See, I have given only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 4 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. One is missing. So what is that? 9 10 12 13 63 13 also. Then here one becomes 30 84 85. 13 squared 169, 85, 5 5 is 8 9 is 72, 169, 6 11 minus 5 and here 1 0 7, 15 minus 9 6, 11 minus 6 5, here 11 1 0, 70 56, 8 8 is 64, 6 5 6, 8 8 16, 4 4 is 60, 24 25 6, 84 85, 13 84 85 also. These are the Pythagorean triplets. Without calculations, you can write third side. So please practice this. Note down. Last year I have given already. Once again I am giving. These are the sides of the right angle triangle. If we know any two sides, we can say immediately third side. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse squared is equal to side squared plus side squared. Short form. Hypotenuse is here PR squared. Side is PQ, one side. The other side is QR. PR squared is 25 squared. PQ side is 27 squared. And QR squared we have to find. So 625 minus 7 squared is 49 is equal to QR squared. Subtraction 5, 6, 7, 5 is equal to QR squared. Therefore, QR is equal to under root of 576 is equal to 24. Third side 24 centimeters. From the table also we know if 7 and 25 we know the third side is 24. So like this we can find. But what is asking? Tan P minus tan R. Tan P minus tan R. You write the values. Tan P. What is tan P? Tan opposite side of the angle by adjacent side. Tan P minus tan P value opposite side of the angle P by adjacent side of the angle P. So what is P here? P is here. Opposite side 24 by 7. 24 by 7. And what is the tan R? Tan R is equal to opposite side of R by angle R by adjacent side of the angle R. Opposite side of the R is here. So opposite side is 7. 7 by 24. Now tan P minus tan R is equal to 24 by 7 minus 7 by 24. 7 4 are 28. 14 to 16. 24 into 24. 24 into 24 minus 7 into 7. That is 576 minus 49 by 168. Subtract 16 minus 9 7. 6 minus 4 2. And this is 5. 527 by 168. This is the answer. Tan P minus tan R. Like that you practice these. First of all, you learn all trigonometrical ratios and their reciprocals and practice this 11.1 exercise. Page number 281, new edition. Thank you. Squares and their roots. म